Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome back to another great week in math here at Milton High School. This is Mr. Murray, and I'm coming to you with a little problem here on converting to standard form. So there's two things I need you to convert. The first thing is written in what we call vertex form, and the second is what we call factored or intercept form. So again, this is in vertex, this is in intercepts. Okay, your task is to use the methods we talked about last week. Going ahead and if you need to take a look at the videos if you needed. Using the methods we discussed last week, pause the video, convert to standard form, and then when you're ready, unpause, and you can see what I got. Alright, so the first one we learned was essentially, well, this is the second one we learned, this vertex form. And essentially, the strategy we learned is to use PEMDAS. Okay, so we don't have an A here, it's 1. So what we're going to start by doing is we're going to start by doing the box with the n minus 3 squared. And so to square n minus 3 is just to multiply it by itself. So n times n is n squared. Negative 3 times n is negative 3n. N times negative 3 is negative 3n. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. So I get n squared minus 6n plus 9 plus 28. And I combine like terms. Ooh. Got my 9 and my n stuck together there. N squared minus 6n, and the 9 plus the 28 gets me 37, and now it is in standard form. Okay, this one we got to be a little bit careful. This one's in intercept or factored form, so we're going to go ahead and box out standard form for this, the factor form first. P plus 14, P plus 18. So P times P is P squared. P and 14, 14P, 18 and P, 18P. Not Siri. And then lastly, 14 and 18. For 14 and 18, you may need a calculator to help you. No judgment. It is 252. Okay, it's 252. So combining these, now we have to drop in the 6 because it's not just a 1. P squared plus 32P plus 252. And now we need to distribute the 6. So 6P squared. I recommend you use a calculator for this. When you do 6 times 32, you get 192P. And when you do 6 times 252, you get 1512. And remember, you would definitely be given access to a calculator for this. I would definitely expect that you not necessarily have to do this in your head, for sure. All right, so hopefully you're able to get that right. Again, the answers here are n squared minus 6n plus 37 and 6p squared plus 192p plus 15 and 12. All right, so again, keep it up. Make sure you're watching out for the lesson materials. Best of luck, and remember, you can do it. All right, until next time, have a wonderful day.